Hello everyone, we are of the team at Fauna Shielded.
I am Bhuvan.
I am Pratham.
And I am Abhinav. We study in class 8 of Excel Public School, Kooragalli, Mysore.
Our theme is energy and transportation. The problem statement is to innovate a system that could improve the driver safety and prevent road accidents. A lot of animals are being killed due to carelessness and overuse of nature's resources. A portion of these deaths are due to road accidents. Overspeeding vehicles reduce the reaction time of the driver. This problem is often overlooked, but it is increasing as the number of vehicles on the road are increasing.
There are more than 95 national parks in India. This is an excellent number, but a lot of animals are getting injured or killed due to road accidents. Almost 491 animals are killed every year, and 22% of that is due to animal accidents with vehicles. Examples of such places are Kaziranga National Park and Bandipur Forest.
A research proved that wild animals move in a defined path every time, as it is embedded into their memory. This gave us an idea. We had thought it would be as simple as building a flyover, but construction noise ruled that out. So the next thought was somehow to detect whether there is an animal on the crossing zone, and accordingly blink an LED and close barricades on both sides of the zone. The barricades could be pre-made, assembled on the crossing zone to reduce noise. So this is the idea that we went with.
We used a camera to send a live video feed to a Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi was trained to differentiate animals from the rest of the background. When our machine learning model recognizes a wild animal, the following steps are executed. A servo motor with a barricade stops the incoming traffic. Some LEDs are placed alongside the road to indicate the vehicle drivers to reduce their speed. When the animal moves away from the road, the barricades automatically open and the LEDs stop blinking. I, Bhuvan P M, built the ML system and the application which interacts with the system.
I, Abhinav, coded the actuation of the servo motors and blinking of LEDs.
I, Pratham, did most of the research and helped in making the model.
Thank you.